Hey guys, so I haven't seen anyone mention this, but there are two big projects that Vitalik, the founder, the creator of Ethereum, is talking about, and he's basically bullish on these two projects. The first one is Farcaster. As many of you know, Farcaster basically raised $150 million like a few weeks ago, and that's huge. And Farcaster is basically a protocol, and there are many decentralized applications that you can basically use and build on. For example, the most famous is the Warpcast, which is basically the decentralized Twitter, where you can basically create groups, cast your posts, and all of the other things similar to Twitter, the X. Another great platform that I would recommend you to use, because I think there will be an upcoming airdrop sooner or later, and the application is called Farquest. You basically go on this application every day and you do these quests, which are daily. And that's how you potentially will qualify for the upcoming Farcaster airdrop. And when there are people like Vitalik that are bullish and that are basically using the forecast daily or weekly, it's incredibly bullish, especially when the bull market comes, because if the project drops a token, the value will go insanely high, because people like Vitalik, in my opinion, attracts billionaires and investors that are worth billions of dollars. That's why I would recommend you to check Farcaster ecosystem, do the daily Farquest quests, use the Warpcast, that decentralized Twitter version. And that's basically the first project. The second project that Vitalik has been bullish for a long time is ENS names, Ethereum name service. These are basically a domain names that you can buy and own, and you can create your own website. You can use it. You can make your username. For example, I have a johnsavage.ethereum. You can even find names that have huge demand. For example, many brands like Nike, Superman, Batman, Marvel, but they already cost thousands of dollars. But there are many opportunities in different languages that you can basically still mint on the ENS platform. And the ENS project recently announced that you will be able to bridge your ENS names to layer 2s, where the transaction speeds are much faster and the gas cost is 100 times lower than the Ethereum gas cost. So it will be cheap to transact and do business, do things on the layer 2s with your ENS names. And that's why these are the two projects that I don't see many people talking about. And that's the best thing, when you can buy and invest in the projects when nobody is talking about them, but you see some clues why they could be potentially basically high price projects. And if you don't believe me, you can check yourself. The Vitalik has been posting and tweeting about these two projects frequently throughout the whole 2022, 2023, and also this year. So that's basically the alpha for today. Thanks for watching, and if you don't want to miss any upcoming crypto and airdrop alpha, press that like, press the subscribe, press the notification bell, so every time I upload, you get a notification instantly and you don't miss out on any upcoming crypto NFT airdrop alpha. So thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.